When you receive your water bottle stickers, like I said, I already have some pre-scorings. So basically, what you would do is get a craft knife and just peel that layer here. And then you want to peel the other side. It's totally up to you if you want to peel the whole sticker, the whole backing off the sticker, but I do not suggest it. I highly suggest not to, and I'll show you why in a few. But first, let's do it this way. It's up to you if you want to leave the original water bottle label on. It's not going to help, but you can take it off. So I'm going to take it off for this demonstration. You will find, like, right here, a crease where the water bottle sides are. So I normally go off of that crease. So, and I'm hoping I didn't just cut the bottle, so be careful not to cut the bottle. So I'm going to start off with that crease, and then you will see, and I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see that, but you have a date. Make sure that the back of your label is where that date is. You don't put the front of your image in the front of that. So being that this is the back, we have determined that this is the back of the water bottle. I'm going to start here. Always start with the white, because this white part you're going to hide. You're going to hide that white. Let me find out what is so okay. You're going to hide that white. I'm going to start it about right here. And then you're going to stick and apply, and you're going to come all the way around. And then you're going to cover up that white. All right. Okay, and that's how you would apply your water bottle label. If you decide to print and cut, you can do the same technique, but you would have to use some type of adhesive, or you would glue or tape the end. So what I'm going to do, instead of scoring, I'm going to show you what will happen if you decide to take the whole back label off. Okay. And that, so we don't have any issues, I'm going to go ahead and finish taking that off. Now, say for instance, I start, remember the white end goes first, because you're going to actually cover that up. So say for instance, I start putting my water bottle label on. And then all of a sudden, oh no, I'm in the front. I see the date. I don't want the date to show on the front. So now I'm getting ready to take it off, and this is what's going to happen to your water bottle label if doing stickers. So like I said, I suggest do not peel the whole label off, because if you make an error, you make a mistake, and you try to peel that off, this is what's going to happen. So now you just have to fall through, and hopefully, and see, now I can't even adjust it. This is what I get.